14 Top Health Benefits of Ashwagandha Root. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Ashwagandha root is an ancient medicinal herb. Ashwagandha root, also known as Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha contains many valuable nutrients that is vital to a healthy body. Did you know that drinking ashwagandha tea can boost testosterone levels and increases libido in men, along with many other health benefits? I have listed some of the amazing health benefits below. 14 Top Health Benefits of Ashwagandha Root. Anti-inflammatory. Anti-cancer properties. Reduces blood sugar. Reduces cortisol levels. Reduces stress. Reduces anxiety. Reduces depression. Boosts testosterone levels and increases libido in men. Boosts your immune system. Improves insulin sensitivity. Increases muscle mass and muscle strength. Lowers cholesterol and triglycerides. Improves brain function. Improves memory. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.